Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am that.Emmanuella. If you are new, welcome. So today I'll be refreshing my bugs braids under my natural hair, and also I'll be doing 3 different quick hairstyles for you guys. If you'd like to see more, stay tuned. I am showing you guys the spray bottle. So basically I have the water on top, and you have, of course, you see the little port. That's the castor oil that I put inside the bottle so that I could spritz my hair with it. As I'm showing you guys, I am spritzing the hair and twisting the hair. That's the only thing guys will be doing, twisting and spritzing. And I'll be putting it onto the other side so that it don't untwist. If you guys have other rubber bands to hold it, it's good, but I chose not to because that method is so intense, because it kind of hurts a little bit, especially if you're soft headed, and I am very hard headed, so that's why it don't really hurt, and that's why I'm doing it. My bugs braid looks brand new, and this is why I like this method, because it saves a lot of time to redo your hair, put it back in, and this is just too much. So that's the best method, and it looks popping right now. Thank you for tuning into my channel for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to tell me what was your favorite hairstyle that I've done for today. And let me know, have you guys ever tried this method before? How did it work for you? In the comment down below. Peace.